Question number 5, find the amplitude of the periodic function. So what you want to look at is you want to look at the highest point, which is 3, and the lowest value, the minimum, which is -2. So when I do this, I just kind of say, all right, what's the height of the total graph? So I have 3 on the positive side, 2 on the negative, so I say my total height is 5. And then I cut that in half. So 2.5 on top and 2.5 on bottom. And your amplitude, that means, would be 2.5. If you want, you can use the formula. The formula for amplitude is the top y value minus the bottom. So in this case, the highest value is 3 minus the bottom value is -2. And then divide that by 2. So that becomes a plus, and you get 5 over 2. And that would give me 2.5 as well. Now your midline, when you get to it, I know this question's not asking, but your midline, then what you would do is count down 1, 2.5 units, and that's where your midline would be. So from the bottom of your graph, if you went up 1, 2.5 units, that should be the midline. So double checking to make sure you have your amplitude right. It should be the same distance on the top half of the graph and the same distance on the bottom half of the graph.